All right, so you've changed your own oil in the 2014 Honda Accord, and that little light that says your oil life is near the end needs to be reset. How do you do it? In my case, I actually had my oil changed, and well, sure enough, it popped up and said my oil life is at like 15%. So what do? Well, you turn the key to auxiliary, don't start it, and you can see right there, it says 15%. Make sure, if you have to, cycle through using this until you get to the oil life, and then press and hold. It'll take about 15 seconds. You see it flash? And there you go. It changed all the way to 100%. Thanks for watching, y'all. Let me know any questions in the comments.